In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage font size on this Realme. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down just a bit, tap on Display and Brightness, and scroll down again. Over here you need to choose Font, and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready to save your changes, tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!